In an era where product life cycles are shorter, competition is global, and customer expectations are sky high, designing successful products isn't just about innovation. It's about learning fast, designing smart, and staying ahead. One of the most powerful underutilized way to achieve this is through teardown and benchmarking. Hi and welcome to UpSkul, where we learn practical design and engineering every day. So what is teardown and benchmarking and why does it matter? Teardown is the process of systematically disassembling a product to understand how it works, how it is made, and why it is designed that way. Benchmarking is the process of comparing that product to competitors, industry standards, and internal goals. Together, these methods allow engineers, product designers, startups, and manufacturers to understand real-world design decisions, estimate product cost, material use, and manufacturability, identify innovation gaps, over-engineering and missed opportunities, learn directly from the best and worst products in the market, and build better, faster, and more competitively. Many engineers and product teams spend years designing in isolation, relying on specs, CAD models, or assumptions without ever opening up the very products they are trying to compete with. This leads to poor cost control, repetitive mistakes, missed learning from competitors, slow product development cycles, and reinventing wheels that already exist. And the worst part is, students and early career engineers often lack exposure to how real products are designed, assembled, and manufactured. So this course fills that critical gap. It provides a structured, hands-on, and industry-relevant methodology to dissect and understand products, map functions to form, identify manufacturing methods, estimate cost breakdowns, benchmark across product categories, and translate insights into smarter design choices. It teaches not only how to tear things down, but how to build better ideas from that knowledge. So, who needs this course and why? Engineering students can gain exposure to real-world design beyond textbooks and CAD. Design engineers can learn how to benchmark intelligently and improve redesign strategies. Startup founders can reduce time to market by learning from existing solutions. Product managers can understand design trade-offs and costs that impact pricing. Manufacturing teams can evaluate design for manufacturability, repairability, and automation. And educators and institutions can learn how to modernize the labs and curriculum with hands-on teardown based learning. But why now? The simple answer is that the future demands it. Nowadays, products are more integrated than ever and require cross-functional knowledge. Cost pressure and speed to market are driving leaner, smarter design processes. Sustainability and circular economy demand products that are repairable, modular, and recyclable. Tools like 3D scanning, AI analysis, and digital twins are transforming how teardown is done. In short, the future of design is reverse informed, and teardown is the language that it speaks. I am going to conduct this course in 10 lectures. In lecture 1, You are going to learn about what is teardown and why it matters, different types of benchmarking, and different goals that you can achieve from teardown and benchmarking, along with case examples. Lecture 2 is about planning the teardown, selecting the right product, tools and safety guidelines, documentation, and NDA and IP considerations. Third module is about performing the teardown, where we will learn step-by-step disassembly strategy, categorization of the components, and material identification techniques, along with fastener and joining techniques. Fourth will be about functional and design analysis, where we will learn about product architecture, subsystem interaction mapping, design for assembly and manufacturing, and repairability and sustainability also. Fifth will be about cost and manufacturing analysis, where we will learn about cost estimation, bill of materials, and analyze sourcing and supply strategy. Sixth is about competitive benchmarking and reverse engineering. Seventh is about tools and technologies like 3D scanning and various thermal and vibration analysis tools, software for data logging and benchmarking, and also AI tools for visual component recognition. Eighth lecture will be about reporting and insights on how to prepare a teardown report, different types of visual tools, identifying patentable features in the design, and informing your own product design roadmap. Ninth, we will discuss about different case studies of teardown like smartphone, electric toothbrush, automotive infotainment, or orthopedic implants. And finally, in the last lecture, we will learn about some advanced topics and future trends in teardown and benchmarking. So by the end of this course, you will have a teardown framework that you can apply to any product, cost and bill of material estimation skills, the ability to analyze design decisions critically, tools to benchmark and present findings, real-world product intelligence that will set you apart from everybody else. So this course unlocks a mindset. It is not just about this course is not just about learning the method. It also unlocks a mindset. It will teach you to look at any product and ask why this is made this way. What can I learn from this and how can I do it better? So that was all about this course. Thanks for watching and see you in the first lecture about Introduction to Teardown and Benchmarking.